been amazing. I had some good conversation with Sangha sir and Zubin sir, and we had good plans. And I was just thinking about like what I have told, and I'm going to express myself. And I was confident, like yeah, I need to control my emotions and just watch the ball and play. And it was a really good experience and great win, and it will be the memorable win for me. Actually, it's been a totally pleasure for me to talk to him and have spoken him about my cricket and stuff. And I really want to thank you, Mumbai Cricket Association, for that, because they let us allow to interact with Sachin sir. And yeah, means I had few conversation with him about my cricket, about how I can play in the T20 games, and he just told me few things really simple way and effective. And yeah, I have been working on it, of course, and it was so good to talk to him. Nothing, just watch the ball and play. I need to watch the ball and play, that's it. I don't think so anymore. I think it's totally so positive. Whatever I talk to them, and whenever I have spoken with them, they are giving me a good advice that which I can use when I'm in under pressure. And I just need to think brave options all the time. They says to me, you need to try to play your game and try to choose brave option and effective and simple. Yeah, I was just thinking about that only. And yeah, what team needs, I need to play like that, and I need to express myself and play freely. That's the really important, and enjoy the game. It's really important thing for them also. They have been telling me these things, and I'm just applying on my cricket, and it's helping me out. Yeah. I'm just thinking to do what I do and what I can control. Like my practice, I'm really worried about my practice all the time, because like everyone says that you need to focus on your process. Like Sachin sir says, Sangha sir says, and Rahul sir says, always, means they have been telling me like how your practice will be, your match will be like this. And if you're working hard and your practice is hard, your match will become easy. And these few things what the legends have told me, and they have inspired me every time whenever I'm talking to them, whether I'm low and high. They make sure that I need to be think like all the time. I need to focus on my process, and result will come. We are not worried about result are going to come. It's if I'm playing well in the nets, and if I'm working hard on my skills, running, fitness and everything, and I'm just keep focusing on that, and match will be the best if I'm working hard on my practice.
कैसा लगा ये वीडियो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं, और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर भी करें, और हमारे चैनल एशिया नेट न्यूज़ हिंदी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और इसके नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं।